Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning, good
Welcome.
morning, good morning to you. Hello, everybody. How are you today? My name is Antoinette Hunter from Amazing Grove. Yay! Today, I have a song for you. And I am going to sing that song with a friend because I'm very happy to be here. Are you happy?
Yay!
Yes. Thank you for being happy. I want all of you guys to be happy. So let me get my friend to sing with me. Are you ready?
Yes!
Ta-da! Yay! Minnie Mouse! Yay! Minnie Mouse, I like your dress. Are we ready to sing our song, Minnie Mouse? Yes? Okay. So let's sing. Head. Minnie Mouse, touch your head. We're going to sing the head, shoulders, knees, and toes. And I want you guys to sing along with Minnie Mouse. Yeah, Minnie Mouse. Yes. So let's do head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good job! This time, we're all going to do it together. And I'm going to have Minnie Mouse help me out here. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Good job, Minnie Mouse. Yay, Minnie. I love your dress. Thank you, Minnie, for singing with us. So you're going to sit down and watch us, okay? Shh. Bye, Minnie Mouse. See you later. So yes, Minnie Mouse was here with us singing. She did a great job, right? Next, we are going to practice our missing beginning sound. But first, we have to go over our class rules. Yeah, we have to go over our rules because I want you guys to listen and learn. Okay? So are we ready? I need your eyes watching. That's rule number 1. Eyes watching. Rule number 2 is ears listening. Ears listening. Rule number 3 is voice is quiet. Shh. And then our rule number 4 is your body needs to be calm. You're not supposed to be playing and touching things because I want you guys to pay very close attention and listen, okay?
Yes!
Good job. Remember, we are going to practice our beginning missing letter. So I'm going to call out some animals or objects, and you're going to tell me what letter begins with the word or the object? The first thing is I am going to go ooh, 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 ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. That sounds like a monkey. Monkey. Does monkey start with the letter B for bee or M for monkey?
M.
Wow!
Good job! Monkey begins with the letter M. Good job! Let's give yourself a clap. Now let's see. How about oink, oink? Is that a sound of a pig? Yes, pig. Pig. I hear a sound of a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Do you hear that? What letter does a pig begin with?
P.
Is it the letter P or the letter U?
P.
Incredible!
Good job! It's the letter P. The P says P. P. P says P. P. Pig. Egg. Pig. P. Pig. Okay. Now let's find the next missing letter. B. Buzz. Oh, that's a B. B begins with what letter?
B.
Perfect!
Oh, I hear buzz. That sounds like a B. What letter does B begin with?
B.
You did it!
B begins with the letter B. 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 E. B. Yes. B. 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 Good job. It does begin with the letter B. Now our next letter is going to be cup. Up. Up. Does cup begin with the letter P or the letter C? K, k, k. What letter does cup begin with?
C.
Wow!
You're right. Up. We put a C is going to spell cup. Cup. Good job. So we have monkey, pig, bee, cup, and the last letter is going to be umbrella. What letter does umbrella begin with? Does it begin with the letter U or M?
U.
Congratulations!
U. Umbrella when it's raining outside and windy. Whoa, you use your umbrella, right? Very good. Awesome job. You did a terrific job today. Yay! So our circle time is over. You can stretch your body and have fun. Circle time is over, over, over. Circle time is over. We are done. All done. Goodbye.